We are here in Monaco aboard Azimut Grande 26 meter. This boat is from 2024 and it has low engine hours. Beautiful light interiors, very common for this model. We are here in master cabin, which is obviously full beam. Big panoramic windows. Then from master cabins, obviously the owner's bathroom, which features beautiful marble countertops, rain shower and wardrobes. There are in total 4 guest cabins, 2 VIP cabins, 2 convertible twin cabins, one of which has a Pullman bed. Spacious flybridge with lots of sitting area, huge dining table and bar.